Welcome to the video session of Human Resource Development. In this video, we are discussing some fundamental concepts of socialization. Socialization is a simple process. We all have gone through the socialization in different phases of our life. Still, we are going through. We know that human being is a social animal. We belong to family, peer group, schools or colleges, or religious groups. In all these places, we behave differently, but sometimes we are ambiguous about how to behave in a certain situation. All that we overcome through the help of other group members. The process how we are adjusting our behavior, attitudes, and characteristics to the expectations of that particular group. That is through the process of socialization. We are learning from others. That particular process is called socialization. There are different types of socialization, such as primary, secondary, anticipatory, and organizational. In this session, we'll not be discussing all the primary, secondary, anticipatory. We are focusing only on organizational socialization. In general, if somebody asks what is socialization, one should be able to say that socialization is the process through which individuals learn and adapt the norms, values, behaviors, and social skills necessary to function effectively within a particular organization or group. Now we will see what is organizational socialization. Organizational socialization is the process by which a new employee learns the values, norms, and required behavior to participate effectively in an organization. Here, managers, colleagues, formal training programs acts as the agents who supports the new employee to learn the process. Socialization agents. Then, as an outcome of this organizational socialization, employee will be able to understand organizational culture, acquire job-specific skills, and the employee will immerse himself into the organizational culture. Next, we will see key aspect of organizational socialization in the context of human resource development. We have seen that employee will be skeptical on certain aspect soon after joining an organization. His managers, colleagues, all will help him or her to understand this. But in actual context, if the HRD intervention is there in this particular scenario, the employee will be able to learn the system in a better manner. His pace will be faster than the self-learning. So, in the context of an organization, in the case of a new employee, socialization is the process of becoming an insider. The employee is from a different place, different organization, different organizational culture. He don't know how to perform effectively within this new place, within this new system. So HRD usually provides orientation programs. Here they will introduce new employee to the company's mission, values, and the strategies, policies, procedures, everything. The next is training and development. In the training and development, HRD will provide necessary job skills required for the employee. Trainings for acquire the job skills. The next is mentorship and coaching. Under this, the employee will be placed under a mentor who is a senior person in the organization, will be able to guide the employee on various job related aspects. Then next is cultural assimilation. Here, the HRD will be helping the employee to understand and adopt the company's culture. There will be certain unwritten rules and social norms. Employee will even be able to understand that. Like in some organization, the employee should be on time for the work. If it is 9 o'clock sharp, 9:05 reaching to the office is not considered as a good sign. These kind of these kind of aspects the employee will learn through cultural assimilation. Then feedback mechanism. Feedback mechanism offer regular feedback to support and ensure new employees. We have seen organizational socialization, and here we'll discuss some benefits of the organizational socialization. In every organization, usually there happens role overload, role conflict, and role ambiguity, etc. Role overload is about when an employee feels that he or she is handling many roles than he or she can perform. Then role conflict arises due to the varying or multiple demands of multiple roles he handles. He will be in a dilemma due to the role conflict. And the role ambiguity is about the employee is not knowing exactly what to perform in that particular job role. The organizational socialization and HRD's intervention help the employee to overcome these challenges so that the organization can expect a better employee performance and increased job satisfaction, and the turnover will be less, and improved team dynamics. The newly joined employee will become an insider immediately after joining. He or she will start performing soon after joining through the process of socialization if the HRD intervention happens. So this is the summary of the social basics about the socialization. We have learned little about the socialization. Hope you have a little understanding. So here, before winding it up, I'll tell you one more example. We know toddlers who are in the age group of 1 to 3. The children, those who are playing in a group, will develop their fine motor skills and linguistic skills quickly than the children those who are alone at home. This is the basic of socialization. When we are in a place where we have a group of people, we will interact with them, we will learn from them, and we will perform our roles and duties in a better way in whichever context we are into. So with this, we are stopping this session. Thanks for listening and watching. Have a great learning experience.